side of the camera is that way. This is like your 8th video.
Oh.
Hi, I'm Stephanie.
And I'm Joe.
And this is Shy.
And we're here to show you how to assemble your indie art desk.
All you need is a rubber mallet like this. You can buy one on our website, and if you don't have one, that's okay. We send a rubber hammer cap that you can put on a household hammer, and that will work as well.
Let's do it.
All right, let's go.
First, lean the left side against a wall.
Next, insert the connectors on the back into the slots on the side. And when you do it, you want to make sure that these routed lines are facing inward. Once everything is lined up, you can use your rubber mallet to tap until everything is secure.
Next, line up the connectors on the back with the slots on the remaining side. Line up and lock into place. Push down to lock into place.
With a friend, gently lean the partially assembled piece on its back like this. Next, we're going to insert the top and the tray stretcher, so grab those pieces and we'll show you how to do it.
Have a friend flare the sides of the case while you line up the connectors on the top with the slots on the sides. Be sure the back sticker is facing the back panel of the art desk. Once the top is inserted and before you lock it into place, grab your stretcher, making sure you line up the routes on the stretcher with the routes on the table, as well as the bottom sticker on the stretcher with the top panel of the table. Insert the green connectors into the slots. And now you can lock everything into place. First, secure the top by pushing down to lock into place. Now you push the stretcher down, locking into place.
The last step is to insert your dividers as you like them. Okay, now we're going to show you how to build the seat for your art desk, so we'll grab those pieces and show you how. Okay, this is super simple. You're going to lean one seat leg against the wall like this. Grab your center, insert the connectors, push down to lock into place. Then do the same thing with the remaining seat leg. Use your mallet if you need to secure it into place. Once that's done, lean the seat onto its side like this and grab your top, oh Joe, and simply just line up the slots on the top with the connectors on the sides and push down to lock into place.
And that's it. Just flip the seat up, fill your table with art supplies, and you are done.